Hey guys, this is Gail. I am your small town picker, and today I got a pallet of boxes that came in from a liquidator, and I thought we'd go through them. And I'm in my garage because that's where the boxes ended up, and I sprained my ankle bringing them in. So I'm sitting down in a chair in my garage, and it's hot, but let's get through it and we'll go through and see what we have. I have 3 boxes, so let me show you real quick. Here are the boxes. There's 1, 2, and 3. It's important to take pictures of the condition of the box. Like this one was pretty much open, all except right here. So in case something's missing, one time they asked me what type of tape it was packed in and all that stuff. So that's good to know. So I took pictures of the boxes and the labels in case I have any problems. And I normally have an inventory sheet to go through and just check off items that were supposed to be in the manifest, or that are on the manifest and supposed to be in these boxes, so I can note what discrepancies they are, but I don't know where I put the manifest. So I'm just gonna go through these and then go to my computer and check the list later. So take a look with me and see what we got. This box is already open. Let's just start with this one. This is a general merchandise pallet. The retail value is about $2,200, and I'll tell you what I paid for it in a little bit. This is box 1. Okay, so the first thing I have are toe warmer value packs. These I'm not excited about. This says hot hand. These are not good resellers, I don't think, on eBay, which are some of the sites that I sell on. These are Pretty Party hair designs, and this actually looks like hair. I've gotten some wigs that are high value and I've yet to list them because, to be honest, I really don't know anything about wigs. Okay, and then I got this 2-pack Jason Mark foam premium shoe cleaner. One of them, sorry, I'm so close. One of them, okay, one of these is empty, this one is, and this one's not. So I don't know what that's about. Sometimes you get duds. And then this here is a finger pulse oximeter. These Oral-B brush heads, these are pretty good. These are customer returns, by the way. A cervical neck traction device. There's some tape here, so it's probably an open box. These don't sell too bad. You just have to be honest with whether or not they're used or not. A tweezer man. I don't even want to know. This pack here of Crest white strips, and it looks like the box has been opened. So I'll count the strips, and surely the strips are individual and I can sell them individually. Okay, next I have this. I don't know what it is. It's in a different language. It says gold, enzyme and herb. So I don't know what this is. This sounds like it's broken or something, not packed right. It's Phillips, and it looks like it's just a razor, which those sell pretty good. And I have a wrist brace. If I had an ankle one, I'd use it. This is open box, and that's a Mueller brand. A hairpin, a hair barrette type thing. This one, unfortunately, it looks like they shipped it to someone, and this box looks really pretty, but they've stuck a shipping label on it, which totally screws up the retail value of some of the stuff. This is Color Fusion Beauty Glazed. This is actually pretty. This appears to be unused. So I don't know Color Fusion brand, what that's worth, but that's something I have. To be honest, I'm shocked that eyeshadow is not broken or used. Mostly broken, especially if they shipped it that way. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera around because I'm not as interesting. We'll look at what's in the box. Might be easier. Looks like toothbrush head for Philips Sonicare. This has been cut at the top, so I'm not real sure about this. Some of those that are questionable and hygienic like that, you may not be able to sell them. 10X bathroom mirror. The spinning curl. These, I have one of them already. I don't know if this has been used. More than likely, yeah, looks like it has been. So anything that's been opened totally decreases the value. This in a Ziploc bag. I don't know what this is. A head wrap maybe? This is a ball. I don't even know, y'all. The Solaron, looks like a knee brace, maybe. Not in package, so I'm gonna have to Google that. Oh, well, look. Here is, that looks like something for, night splints, plantar fasciitis, probably something good for that. Here's another wrist guard from Kohl's called Vive is the brand. Aura Glow Deluxe Home Teeth Whitening System. I think I bought one of these one time. They didn't really work for me, so I don't know. This, again, another one where they stuck the label on and shipped it off. The brand is Morocco. It's light therapy lamp. Not too enlightening. I try not to mess with these until I'm ready to list them. Fial Beatty. I don't even know. This looks like it could be, no, it's not more hair. It's 2 pieces of something, so I don't know. Okay, a water flosser by Waterpik. Okay, this looks like the strap to something. Anyway, this is a portable Waterpik. Those are cool to have, but it looks like it's been opened, so we'll see. Wall clipper corp. Let's see what this is. In this kit, this is what you get. Actually, this is pretty cool. This is the box. Okay, there's boxes within boxes. Not gonna go there, but that might make it easier to sell. But another one of these oximeters. This is an eye mask. DPI or DPL eye mask pain relief system. Oh, it looks like it's got infrared on it. Light therapy lamp. Infinity Pro by Conair hair rollers. Don't know. Obviously these are clippers, but they're big. I don't know if these are shears for a pet. There's a container. So I think these are for dogs maybe. In this box, Curl and Straight Confidence, no name brand. It's unique twisted plates. I have one of these. It's a name brand, and I have yet to list it. The box is damaged, but the item is in there. And then the other, last but not least, is a Jergen K ceramic ionic straightener brush. I did a pretty good job repacking this. What is this, y'all? I thought it might be a dog toy, which is not likely in this palette. Is this one of those dryer ball things? I'm gonna have to see if it's on the manifest. Right, so these things may take a while. I've just now opened the second box. So I have this this is a blanket, not a blanket, but a heating pad. I sold another one of these recently for a decent price, so that is a good money maker. And y'all, this, ow, Revlon One Step. Let me show you. This will go fast. And I have one of these, and I'm out here in the heat and my hair's starting to frizz up, but I love it. My hair dries in half the time and I don't have to use a straightener. Okay, look at what's in here. This is amazing. Check it out. I really like what's in here so far. I mean, bigger stuff, maybe worth more. Some sort of dental tools. It could be that these are like picks or something. A back stretcher. Man, I would love to try one of those because I feel like my back needs to pop right now. Just saying. Tomica. Begin Trip and Beauty. Yeah, we'll have to go over these in future videos. Bags. I don't know what's in here, but it rattles and plasticky, so it may be something like a trimmer for hair or something. A one step. This is very similar to the Revlon one step, but it's not. I have 3, like there's some inventory that I have, and I just put up 3 of those boxes. So now I have another one to add to my inventory. Hopefully they move fast. Easy level instant drug test. Ooh, would you like a drug test, y'all? This has not been opened. So, okay. Ooh, God, this is heavy. What is it, y'all? This looks like a weighted deep pressure therapy thermocomfort weighted hot cold neck wrap. This thing, I'm not lying, is heavy. That's gonna be tough to ship out. And then Dondroy lateral patella support. Okay, still not for the ankle. Oh yay. Fashion wig, a premium wig. I know nothing about these wigs. Hair feels extra dusty. Like, see that dust in my hand? Oh, more hair. Hair extensions. Arch cushions. Those could have been probably cut already. Double ceramic barrel for waves by Conair. Imlay. I don't even know what that is. RF beauty instrument. To see what that is. An electric trimmer. Yeah. For those ladies who want to trim their nose hairs, right? Like, who's gonna use that? Underarm. Okay, and last but not, well, maybe not least, oh look! Oh my God, more hair. I'm not a fan of these wigs. And here, a different kind of hair. This is so dirty. Dusty, I don't know what it is. Okay. So that's it for that box. Some decent money makers in those. The wigs, I'm sure there's money in that. I just don't know about it yet. I gotta figure that out. So let me rebox this box and then I'll get the other one next. Pack that one like a boss. Here is the third box. So SKG massager. That looks high-tech and interesting. This is a wall brand trimmer that's been opened and cut into. Oh, great. You know, when I get boxes of stuff like this, sterile strips. I guess we could use this with all the coronavirus, but it looks like, oh, Lord. It looks like I got 2, 4, 5 6 boxes of these, which I hate. So one thing, when I get a pallet like this, there are some things that are worth $200 or $300 each, some that are worth $40, and I don't know what these alcohol pads are worth, but they can't be worth much. But what I do is I take the total that I paid, in this case $350 or whatever, and I divide it by the number of items, which I think were 62. Anyway, I come up with my average cost per item, and I believe in this pallet, I usually will put, I think it came out to be $5 or $6 per item that I try to recover. So it's disappointing when I get stuff like this or those eyelashes, because I know I'm not going to get my money back in those. So I have to rely on some of these other things to get me my money back. Just idea of how I do this. Okay, another wall cut, haircut tool or whatever, trimmer, Edge Pro. This is a Waterpik water flosser. This particular one is in a dark blue. Is that blue or purple? I think it's blue. I just sold a mint green one for $50 on eBay. I have another one that's white, that's unopened, like the box was open like this, but the actual unit was still wrapped like this and actually sealed, not just wrapped and folded over. So if that is truly unopened, that's a $50 maker right there. And then Shock Doctor, what the heck? Gel Max Flavor Fusion Bubble Gum. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, kneading massager. This one goes over the neck. I actually bought one of those for my mom because you can put those on your back and everything else. So that's pretty cool. It's the same thing, but a different generic brand. Shiatsu one. Okay, another hot air one-step brush. That makes 5 now that I have. I hope they sell. A Shock Doctor Performance knee brace. This has been opened, but it's a Conair Instant Heat, teeny tiny tight curl barrel for curling irons. This is a bedhead wavy deal. I have sold about 6 of these. They don't go for a lot, but I get my money back in just a couple dollars more. And this is another one. So if you wanted to know what those one step actually look like, they look like the Conair one step. And this one is disgusting. Seriously, this is what you get sometimes. I have no words for that. To be honest, it's so frustrating. This is what you get when customer returns, what they'll do, and I don't know why people do this in good conscience. They'll buy something brand new, put their old crap in it, or a lower value item in it, return it saying something's wrong with it, and keep the good stuff. This is very frustrating. So my average price of $6, that is trash. I cannot sell it. I can't even try to sell it. And the last thing in the palette, y'all, is Xavier waterproof long-lasting eyebrow powder. Okay, so let's go inside where it's cool and we could talk. Okay guys, so I was pseudo okay and happy with the box of goods that I got. Some of the items I'm very disappointed in. The items that aren't worth a lot of money, generally what I'm doing is just setting those aside. I'm trying to just kind of hold on to them, and maybe one day I'll have like a $5 garage sale or something for those lower priced items, because I sell online mostly, so I won't really get my return on money from that in that way. But if I put them all together in a sale, then I can. The items that are totally broken or damaged or disgusting, like the one-step hair dryer with all that hair in there, I will throw away and I can't recover the money. And I'm hoping that the higher dollar items that were in there will make up for what I had in there. Fingers crossed, y'all. I've had better looking palettes, let's just say that. So I'm hoping that I can get this turned flipped with the virus, the coronavirus that everybody's talking about. All of the resale shops are closed. Goodwill's closed. So most people aren't having garage sales because of the social distancing that's going on. So I had already ordered this pallet. This is a good way to get some inventory for you to list while you're homebound. So hopefully you liked the video okay enough. Stay tuned for videos about what sold and hauls and just general reselling stuff. So I do hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe and support my channel. It's a possibility I could lose my full-time job, and I'd like to consider pursuing this full-time after I lose my job, if I lose my job. So please subscribe, join the journey, and watch me grow into a full-time business. And comment if you'd like to say something. Press the like button. That'll help the YouTube algorithm. And I would love to try to get to at least 1,000 subscribers. One way to help with revenue is to get ad revenue from YouTube. And I have to have at least 1,000 subscribers for that. So, and if you have any questions, definitely leave those in the comments below. I read all comments and reply to all. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.